Hi everybody, Keith Best here once again, and in this video I'm going to go through and show you the random shortcode creator. Okay, so as the name says on the tin, this creates random shortcodes. So just click on it and it comes up. So what you can do is this text will be displayed. I didn't show you this before in the other one, but just I'll show you now. Random times. Okay, so we're doing that. And obviously you can change the duration to 30%. Let's pump it up a bit so you can see it as it changes. So if we go to 65%. Again, just make sure you've got all of it down there. And then just basically copy that. Get rid of that. Jump up. Drop that in there. Update. So now we do a spin. So this text will be displayed randomly on your MPP pages. And it's not on that one. So this one. On that one. So the West Green. On that one. So the Shafton. That's randomly again. So let's go to South Island. And then we've got this text will be displayed at random times. So as you can see, you can use spin tags in there, and obviously that's just like sort of displaying with different stuff. You know, it's just another way where you can put random content on your pages if you wish to. Okay, short video, nice and to the point. Hope it was useful. Catch you on the next one. Bye.